Is now streaming live on YouTube, and that's the first thing anyone will hear. I'm going to wait to see it come up before we start saying anything. Oh no. Okay. All right. Welcome to BloopDiary staff meeting number 3. We're going to start in a few minutes just to give people some time to join the meeting. Mark, Beth, is your audio still working?
Yes.
Yes. Sorry.
But I don't see anything happening on YouTube. So, oh, there. Wait. Yes, here he is.
Okay. I got a link if you need it, Beth.
No, I got the link now.
Awesome.
Welcome to BloopDiary.
I thought I muted you.
Awesome. Okay, that's working. So we'll see how many people start joining.
This is very awkward with 2 laptops. I just went to BloopDiary instead of BloopDiary's Facebook page. I'm doing great. But I needed to
so many.
I know, there's so many. Bloop, bloop, bloop. I'm moving you guys
All
over.
about the bloop. I have so many windows open, it's insane.
That's also confusing, too many windows.
Like a Pepsi commercial. We should each have a product that we
Oh, good.
advertise. Mark's can be the
Pepsi. I'll do
Like what?
sparkling
Vapes.
ice.
What did you have there, Beth?
Sparkling ice.
Ah, sparkling ice. All right.
You still get your flavor, but you don't get your sugar or any of that crap that's in your diet.
Now, there's a lot of crap in my diet.
There's way too much crap in your diet.
You know, Buffalo Wild Wings. Did I tell you guys this? Buffalo Wild Wings has cauliflower wings now instead of chicken wings.
That
Sounds
sounds
awful. I can see the
disgusting.
look on your face, Mark. But so when you get, they don't
You
taste
missed
like
the mine?
cauliflower.
Yeah.
They're crispy. Get barbecue sauce all over them and blue cheese, and they taste really good. They're so good.
I don't like cauliflower as it is.
I don't like cauliflower either.
Well, maybe with barbecue, hot sauce, it might be better.
I think you'd be surprised that as long as they're
Maybe not.
so as long as they're hot, they don't taste like cauliflower. But as they like get cold, you can taste the cauliflower.
They better eat them fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're making it worse.
I'm just trying to not eat so many calories because apparently I can't stop eating the quantity of food that I'm eating.
Is it because of the pandemic, or is that always?
No, that's just, ever since
That's
I moved to
pandemic.
America, I just keep eating. It's just, there's so many restaurants and so much food. It's tough.
I'm trying to do a thing, but my brain is fraying.
Okay. Posted the link to our live session now. Hopefully we get some viewers.
All right, we'll give it a couple more minutes.
See, I've got a similar idea.
I was trying to go for a shirt that wasn't black, but didn't work.
Failed.
Hey, can you guys, here's my shirt. I want to show you guys.
Nice.
Best,
I like it.
You know what it means?
No,
Mark?
still like it.
Best dad ever.
Ah, yeah.
Ah, see, Marcus.
Guitar chords.
I've popped a link.
I was
up the
thinking of
top
something
of
with that
Bloop.
guitar.
Made a nice big red banner that says live BloopDiary
Nice.
staff meeting with a watch live link.
And even if you don't know what the chords are, it just says best ever, which is also acceptable.
Best ever.
Oh, nice, Mark. I like that. Except it kind of, you should try hovering your mouse at the top of that. It's kind of hard to, you might want a little more padding.
Maybe.
I'm like, slight micro pixel right there. All right, how many people
There
we
we
got
go.
watching now? Oh, 3. That's probably us.
Yep.
That's okay, though. We'll give it a couple more minutes and then we'll get started. And maybe Chris will come by.
Yes, we need his opinions.
Exactly.
It's odd seeing you talk here, but you're actually not.
I know. I was just thinking the same thing. I was like, "Whoa, he's not talking."
I just thought,
Yeah,
huh?
I know. It gets so confusing. Oh boy, that's okay though. I wonder if we should be posting videos during the week on the Bloop Diary channel.
What kind of videos? Us?
It would be interesting to like look over some of the theme of the week videos and things like that, but I don't know. We'll have to think about that.
Could create an automatic generator that generates videos.
Yes. Last time people watched this after the fact, so I think
Yeah, the views bounced, didn't it?
yeah, there was quite a good number of views on there. So I think let's just go for it. And if people join, they join. If they don't, they don't. So yeah, you guys ready?
We're ready.
Yeah, as I
All right, sweet. Let me share screen number 1, which is what you guys are on. There we go. Woohoo! Can you guys see everything okay?
Yes, I can.
Oh, it's bright.
I'm just waiting to see if it comes up on the YouTube feed. And it did. That's awesome. Okay. All right. So let's start with, well, I guess we have to do the introduction. Bloop Diary meeting number 3.
Mm-hmm.
Staff meeting number 3. This is our agenda today. Just like last week, I basically copied it and deleted things. As you do. Next week's meeting probably isn't going to be at 2 o'clock on a Sunday because Mark has a job.
Oh,
Thanks, Mark.
that's the worst thing ever.
I mean, I can
So-
get away with a lot of stuff at work, but I don't
Yeah.
think going live for an hour is.
Yeah,
I probably could. I probably could swing that.
yeah, it would make for an interesting meeting, but I think we can push it back. All right, you guys ready to start with the task reports?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I just have a complete walk of shame because I didn't get mine done. So that's
Boss
awesome.
didn't do his job.
Let's see. Okay, we've got to start a new thing first, right?
Not if
It's just like the one YouTube video I posted, see? But it's weekly instead of daily.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll start with me because I suck. I'll just move this right over here.
I think you should put a red on it on the
Yeah.
to say.
Bad.
This is the red of shame. Thanks, Mark. Screw you. Okay, let's start with Mark. Next time, I'm just going to add in a bunch of crap here, and you'll be like, "What? I didn't know how to do that." We are going to move this to Google Sheets though, so that we can all see and edit it and everything. You know?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah. Because obviously, you guys can't access my hard drive.
No,
Or maybe Mark can. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe Mark can. I was just thinking maybe Mark could do that.
I am remoting into your house, so
Oh dear.
investigating caching, I found nothing, and it hasn't happened since. So I don't understand why that happened.
So that's
Could have
red.
been,
Like
could
a
have been a
red-
browser thing. Yeah, you can read it if you like.
So you
Could have
haven't
been a
really,
browser
you haven't
thing.
really seen anything with it. So I figure, should we just get rid of this then? And call this-
Until it becomes a problem again, then yeah, I think so.
yeah, I'm gonna say that one's done then. I'm not gonna hide things right now. There was nothing for support system. Incoming comments on theme of the week. Finding out why the comments wouldn't post.
Yeah, that's fixed.
Do you remember what it was?
Yeah, it was a setting. Wasn't? No, it wasn't. It was the spam filter.
Oh, that's right. Because they.
Yeah, because it had a web link in it basically.
Gotcha.
So I've whitelisted Bloop's domain.
That makes sense.
And
All
now
right,
we have the forums back, so we don't even need the comments on theme of the week. So that was kind of
Well,
I
there
like
is
the
that
new.
too.
I like the new forum thing. And that reminds me, actually, on the agenda. New things to. Oh my God! Demonstrate.
Big top. Let's see that.
How's that? There we go. Because I think we want to show some of those features, right?
Yeah.
That'd be a good idea. That's great.
Crap! I've lost myself. There we go. Front page names differing from signatures. You fixed that, didn't you, Mark?
I did.
Sweet. God, you're on a roll this week. It's crazy. You are looking a little tired.
I've actually slept like 9 hours, which is no, I think it's nearly
that spread
12
out?
probably.
Spread out against the whole week, or
No, last night I just zonked for nigh on 12 hours.
Oh dear.
Reader's
Oh, yeah.
Choice, for the most part, is still fully working.
Okay.
The only thing that's not is there's nowhere that displays it.
Cool. So there's probably not much we have to do with it. We just have to kind of get so let's just call this good.
It's just more of a front end, find a front end area for it.
So build UI.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the staff side of it is all still fine.
Yes.
Shocking, isn't it?
Discussion forums. I mean, you did a crap ton in there this week.
Yeah, so enabled posts and modified it a bit. The only thing that does need adding on, so we've put that on to next week's, is the nested replies. They're still not done. You can reply to a thread, but you can't reply to a reply.
Reply to individual posts, right?
Yep.
Okay. Who's new? Put a list of new users. You did that.
On the old and the new. Staff users, I haven't yet.
Okay.
So you can read that one.
Ooh, bum, 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 bum. Who got? Okay, we're 1 for 1 right now. I hope there's another one.
There's
To be
not.
fair, I only had one task. God. Oh well. I should have made up someone who's going. Mock up a new main page. I know you did a bunch on that.
Yeah, it's not 100% finished yet, but there's a good bunch of it done.
Let me new things to demonstrate would be the attach entry to forum thread, to forum post, and new main page. I think we should demonstrate some of those things. Bloop Extra. You probably didn't get to this, right?
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh.
Everything that's listed on the feature comparison page, they all work.
Oh. Did I
Nothing
remove?
gets broken.
Did I remove the photo albums from the list?
Albums work, don't they?
I think you can attach photos to entries, but I don't think there's photo albums. But maybe there is. I don't know.
I presume
I
they work.
remember a photo album.
No, there's not photo albums. There's only file manager, isn't there?
Okay, good. I must have removed it because I figured it didn't work, and it seemed a little pointless to have photo management, like photo albums in Bloop. So
Yeah.
I'm going to say yes to this, but the next thing we've got to figure out is
What extra we can-
subscription expiration, because I think we worked out that subscriptions aren't actually expiring.
Yeah.
Which
At
is
least
a
we found out why.
problem. Yeah. Like button. You added that.
To the
I've been
entries I
using
did.
it.
But you can add next week's one because I want to put it into a class and make it on other things.
What do you want? Sorry, say again. You want to put it into a class?
Yeah, put it into a class. And
Move like action into class. Okay.
because then we can put it other places.
Sorry for the snorting. I'm sick. It's not corona though.
Are you sure?
Yeah, he's nasally. Nasally means no corona.
That's true.
I don't think it's corona. You know, Charlie, because you guys know I took her to the ER because of her breathing difficulties. So she had those allergies, and that turned out to be all it was. Well, I think we all have allergies, but Charlie apparently was really susceptible.
I never used to be. I'm awful now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
starting to get them too.
Where are those? Those wildfires are still happening, right, Beth?
I think so, but I think I don't know. I haven't heard anything in a while.
Yeah, I feel like the media just starts switching off, but I think some of that, the air pollution is so bad. I think people are just flaring up from it. So
Are you near there? Well, you're
no,
in
but I heard
You're
that
in
it
my zone.
has been spreading over the country just from the soot and everything.
We usually don't get it all the way down here, Florida, at least South Florida.
That makes sense. And you guys have a lot of water around you, so it probably
Yeah.
filters it out quite good.
You don't say that in an English way anymore.
Social media sharing, you did that.
Yeah.
Except this is only for. What the frick?
It's
You did
always
it
the third
again.
one. It's the third one every time.
Why? Great. Now I just look incompetent every time we do this.
I hate those ABCs. They do that all the time. It's ridiculous.
Yeah. So weird. Whatever, it's fine. Cool, nice, Mark. You got a ludicrous amount of work done.
Had a week off.
Yeah. Let's make sure we give you like double the amount this time.
I
Triple.
know.
Triple.
I have got another week off apart from the weekend, to be fair.
Sweet. All right, so we got those things there. Beth, I know you.
Yes.
Well, I
My
think we
turn.
already ticked that, didn't we?
Yes. Did all that.
I know you've done more things than I listed here as well. But these were the core things. So sharing the YouTube video, I know you've been sharing those out. You've kept the interaction of the community up.
I have tried.
I like it.
So if I was my, what was it, 60 hours, did you say?
How many hours did you work this week, Mark? 60?
Well, it wasn't all work, to be fair.
The number of hours he worked versus on Bloop.
Yeah, so on Bloop,
Slight
it's
differing in the
32
number.
33 hours I was online.
Oh dear. Interacting with Facebook group.
I did.
Yeah, so it's good. I've got to stop coughing. Gosh. Anyway.
It's that Rona.
Hey, we got 4 watching. Who else is on there?
They
That
don't want to
could-
identify themselves.
It could well be my friend. I've dropped him the link.
Say hi if you're.
Hi, Mark's friend.
Oh my! Wait. Okay. Not a blooper.
Not yet.
All right. Join Bloop. We know where you live.
Put in there. Mark knows where you live.
He said no and then capital no.
Oh, we tried. Yeah. If you join Bloop, we'll give you Mark's firstborn.
Oh, God.
Anyway. Okay. So on to this week's tasks. Mark, make a firstborn. Dear.
I need assistance with that one.
What? Oh dear. All right, Beth, theme of the week. I think you already posted.
I posted it yesterday.
Dang it, you're ahead of the
Every
schedule.
Saturday, it's Sunday today.
I know. So
And I will share the YouTube video when we're done.
okay. All right. I'm still putting it in here because it's still something you're doing. I'm going to put this one for this is going to be a Saturday task, the coming Saturday. I don't want to highlight it green ahead of time.
Right.
So that way, So this counts for 2 over here.
Sounds like a plan.
Community engagement. I think that's been going really well. I know I see you commenting on people's diaries and stuff and just keeping things flowing. We've had quite a few people posting entries and stuff. It's nice to see that list move.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Facebook posting is just, I think the big thing about that is the make event for live meeting and boost, which I think I don't know that you can boost it, but we'll figure that out between us.
Yeah.
Beth, is there anything else that you think would be worth adding in here? Yours are a little more
Begging for theme of the week entries. So idea submissions. I've gotten like 2 since we started.
ideas. So get rid of that. So what was it? Get more ideas for theme of the week?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to come up with 2 or 3 ideas a week. It's gonna kill me on my own.
Yes.
I need your help, people.
Yeah. I guess between the 3 of us, we could probably come up with 3, couldn't we?
Yeah. Am I gonna have to go with that?
I don't know though. My task failure rate is pretty high, so I don't know.
So that'd be 2 out of 3 then.
Yes.
2.95 out of 3.
Oh boy. Any other ones you want to add, Beth?
Well, support, but I don't know how to support. We don't even have a support system.
Is that up and running?
But
Mark?
just
Email support, no. Ticket, yes.
So we got the ticket support. So okay, that's a good one.
how do I see the tickets of the sports?
We'd have to add it to your user.
We might have to add the group. So
I think that one should be the easiest one on your list. Where
What are we doing with, speaking of sports system, what are we doing with the existing tickets? Going through and seeing if any are relevant still and then just clearing them, or?
I guess.
let me in and I'll do that.
Yeah. Time tracking, Mark, you fixed the moderations. I mean, that's
Yes.
working.
Well,
right?
I've done moderation so they don't time out anymore if you're still on Bloop.
Okay.
But there's a big fat bar to say, hey, you've got a tick open.
But I need to add something. Time tracking report. Oh my God. They're not both red. What the hell? Stop it.
It's preempted.
Excel knows what you're going to fail.
Report of moderation sessions. There we go.
So I guess it only needs to report what. Yeah.
Yeah, I just because right now I'm just doing the general.
Well, it already
site
does,
usage.
doesn't it?
Yeah, what is going on here? Hang on. Let me lock this. This is driving me insane. Freeze first column. There we go. Because I really need to see. Okay, we don't have end goals for all of this. There's no end goal for Facebook posting. Theme of the week ideas. That's going to be a continuous thing as well.
Yep,
Isn't
those are both continuous.
Report, time tracking, the ability to report on time. Okay, well, we'll come back to this one. All right. Oh, so nothing else for time tracking for you, Mark. This is Beth's. Okay. Any other ones you want to add, Beth?
Nothing I can think of now, unless you think of something.
I'm sure we'll think of something as we go.
I'm sure you will.
So profile pictures, we're calling good. Support system, Mark, you just got to add Beth. Incoming comments, that was fixed. Front page names, that was fixed. Reader's choice, building the user interface.
Where do we want those?
Where do we want
do it before? So shorten the recent entries and put them at the top.
Yeah, I think they've really got to be highlighted. So.
Yeah. So on old new page, just shorten the recent entries and put them at the top, like old school. And
I think for now, until we come
new
up
main, I guess it could be just a higher weight ratio to be higher up.
Yeah.
Or maybe an icon, like a little.
And I think we really need something that can, like, after someone's read an entry, make it disappear from the main page. You know, I think that would really make the main entry.
Yes, we've already got the data for that, haven't we?
Yeah, I don't know that we want to do it for like the rolling entries, but I think that we do want to do it for like reader's choice. I don't know. It's kind of a debatable thing, right? Because you might want to
customizable.
Stuff. Yeah. Let's think on that. Who's new? That's done. Who's staff? We don't know.
Where do we want that? I could put it underneath my bloop, I guess.
Yeah.
Top of the page.
We got to put it somewhere. For the main page, we're just continue development, right?
Yep.
Loop extra, we'll try to figure out the subscription expiration this week. And like button, you're going to try and move that into a class. That'll be helpful. Yeah. Anything else for social media sharing?
I mean, currently it's only got like the basic ones. So we've got Facebook and Twitter. Do we want to add more to that?
Didn't I see WhatsApp on there too?
If you're on your mobile, yeah.
Oh, okay. I haven't really checked it since on the computer today.
Should we call these ones good then?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna hide them. Hey, you're looking a little
Mark,
lighter.
your list got
In a minute.
Your list got less.
6, 7.
No, here's 8. There's one on top. Time tracking.
Yeah. So here's this week's tasks. All right. Should we move on to the next agenda item?
Yeah.
All right. We can come back to this if we need to. Okay. Task report. Most important next feature. I don't remember what we had last week.
No, I can't. Was it the comments?
Hashtags and tagging and discussion forums was from last week.
Yeah, we haven't done a hashtag in it.
Discussion forums we got to work in though. Hashtags and tagging. I mean, is that something that we want to look at this week?
Yeah. Where would we want that?
I probably shouldn't have removed that from the list. I probably should have just left it there and on Earth. There we go. You know what I mean? Okay, let's just go back to this again. Suggested diaries to read, which was reader's choice, right?
Yeah.
Share to social media. That was done. Highlight the users, bring them. I think we're trying that as well. Okay, so there's nothing else from this document. Okay, hashtags and tagging. Do you want me to put something on the task list for that?
Yeah.
Are you just gonna like make a tags area? Let's just think about implementation, so we can figure out how to do it. And
At
if we
very
get
least,
further,
I'll probably end up
Also-
taking it further. You know me, I can't help it.
yeah. Well, Chris isn't here, so we don't get any ideas from Chris today. But I think,
Just this week.
yeah, I think since there's no community members here right now, I think we'll leave this. And you know, if anyone is watching this and after the fact and you have ideas, feel free to leave comments on the YouTube video or leave them on the Team
Bloop.
Bloop. Yeah, Team Bloop Diary. Cool. All right, let's move on to analytics. Can't talk. Okay, here's some analytics. So let me go to the users. You know what? I think we need more. We need more days. So these are the number of active users on the site. If you would,
decent upticks on that, isn't it?
yeah, if you draw a trend line, you can see we got a slight upward trend. More so from
look at the
Yeah, it looks better
duration.
than last week.
The session
Yeah.
duration. I mean, most of that's probably me, to be fair, but
yeah. Sessions, a definite uptick in sessions. And I think the sessions refers to, you know, the number of times you come to the site. So if I use the site on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday and Thursday, I'd have 4 sessions. Bounce rate is down. That's good. That means people aren't just
single page and leave, isn't it, bounce?
Yeah.
And we're always going to have some bounce rate because of Google search and things like that. Session duration.
People logging in and seeing no notifications and leaving. So
check this one out. 14-minute average session duration on Friday. I would say that was all Mark, but
It probably was.
yeah, but it's definitely an upward trend. You know, the trend is going the same way the other ones are going.
That's good.
So this is good because this is like more things to do, right? Like the discussion forum, posting theme of the week. That's what's giving us a better
because you're not
duration.
just coming in saying no one's written, see you later.
Yeah, because the only thing you could really do before we started fixing those features was to see if your favorites had updated or update yourself.
Yeah.
There wasn't a lot of engaging features. So I think, yeah, that's good. That's a really great trend. I mean, it's possible this will waver back down and up, you know? We may have to look at it on a grander scale, which looks amazing. So never mind. But we'll keep checking each week just to see where it's going. And then we'll get in tune with it. Okay. Any other thoughts on this?
We're going the right way.
New things to demonstrate. Is there anything else we want to demonstrate?
Well, those are good. Start.
I think that Mark should demonstrate.
Oh, no.
There we go. All right, you should be able to share now, Mark.
Show off your hard work for
Got to
everybody.
share the right one. Hang on. There you go, I can just share.
You got to close down all those dodgy websites you got to open.
Yes, please.
Oh,
I need
there's
to bring it to
the.
this side, don't I?
I'll let you do the talking, Mark.
Is that still sharing?
Mhm,
Yes.
I see it.
So, main page wise, which I'm still not entirely happy with, but do you think we should go down to a single width on this?
Yeah, I think it's a little much. It's a lot.
The only reason why I like the 3 is because it adds sort of a dynamic feel to it. Like every time you refresh, it's in a slightly different order. But it's when you get down to just like the entries, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stupid coughing, sorry.
Well, can't we have like one side just the entries and the other two, the other stuff?
We could do like a
Like what we have now, just in one box. You scroll it.
we could have like entries here and then toolbar, but then yeah, maybe. What's your thoughts, Steve?
I think a little more padding or spacing between those boxes. I do like the dynamic height.
Yeah.
I feel like that looks better.
The staggeredness of it and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think we could have an option at the top that lets you choose how many columns you want?
I like that.
Mark hates you right now.
We
You
get
can
much
see the
space.
anger in his eyes.
So that was thinking, how would I do that? Would it
I don't know.
require a page refresh?
All I know is you're going to have an extra red task.
Yeah.
Poor Mark.
I will make sure that one's done.
He'll have like 50 other red tasks, but that one will be spot on.
Yeah, but that one's good. So it uses the entry theme if it's got a specific one linked to the entry.
Yeah.
If it doesn't have a specific entry one, it defaults back to the diary theme.
I like it. So can you scroll down a little bit just to show the color differences there?
Yeah, so you've got like a Steve is red, confession or anonymous source is like a grey color. There's one with me because I'm a different color as well. Team Bloop is a blue.
Yeah, because like I see, and I don't know if you're scrolling or not, but I can't see you scrolling. But I see Chris anonymous source. His has that. I don't know what color that is. What color is that, Beth?
I have no clue.
If I zoom in, you might actually better see it a bit. There you go. No, it's like
I don't know if you're zooming in, but my screen is not changing.
No, mine isn't either.
Hang on, let me stop the screen share and start it again.
Yeah, you might have.
It might have died on you.
Yeah, it has. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's died. Give me a sec.
Oh, look, now I see Steve.
Hey.
There we go. How's that?
Whoa, there we go.
Oh, much better.
Yes.
And
Okay.
it's
So
bigger.
yeah, you can see the purple outline on theme of the week. Mojo Jojo has that red outline. I like it. I feel like it adds a little extra. I think.
Oh, I see it now. It's pretty color.
Yeah, Mike. I think I really like this actually.
Yeah.
The color stuff works super well. I think a little more spacing, and
The only thing is, if we add extra space and
yeah,
each window will get smaller, obviously, because it's set at the maximum width of the Bloop output.
yeah. Well, let's try it and see and just fiddle with it because it's a development thing anyway. Also, I think that border, just my opinion, but I think that border should be 2 pixels thick.
Rather than, I think 3 I'll go at.
Oh, is it? Well, then I think it
so.
should be 4. My bad.
The boss wants it bigger.
Yeah, I think it should be a little bit thicker, and maybe we can get a little drop shadow on the box.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, because that would make the like
Pop out.
this one here, like
Yeah,
Ethan's one here, would actually make
Yeah.
it pop.
I think to note on this as well, the visualization editor, we've got to find out something
yes.
that makes it easier. You know,
Yeah. And I think rather than just drop down colors, we should have an option to put an actual hex code in as well.
If they have pictures attached to the entry, we should make it so it can show a few of them at the bottom or something like that. You know, like just small samples.
Yeah, just sort of just above the comment section here, sort of thing.
Yeah. Is this showing the likes as well?
It's not. I've just realized that.
Aha!
Oh, it'll be good if you showed likes.
I really like this format. I like it more that you zoomed in now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, to be fair, I run my screens at 4K, so
Yeah.
I think this is about a 1024 zoom. I think roughly. So it's the average of what most people are going to see.
Yeah. I like it. And on a phone, it just shows up as one column, right?
Yes. So on a phone, it will go to that.
Yeah. I like it. Can we get a little spacing on the edges for the phone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's great. That's really cool. What is the other feature that we wanted to show?
So the other one will be the discussion forums.
Discussion forums,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one that's got the most. So that's where the attached entry is. You can only attach one. I don't think we should be able to attach multiple unless you think otherwise.
No, I
No.
think attaching one makes sense.
It's perfect.
Position of it okay, or
I wonder if you should throw it at the top of the content.
with possibly
Maybe with
like
a little attachment icon or something like that.
Yeah, because down there might not be as much as seen.
Yeah. But otherwise, I mean, this is a much nicer way of attaching an entry to something.
Yeah.
What I like about it too is because it's in the discussion forum, you post your entry and then someone can reply. Well, once we have the reply posts working, someone can reply.
I mean, you can reply, just not specifically to that.
Right. So someone can't get reply to what I put down here. What a fun way they can't. Well, now they can because I'm the only one there. But
Yeah, I mean, they could reply. It's purely linear, not indentation.
Yeah. Right.
Mark, would it be possible? Well, I know it would be possible. Would it be feasible to, when you attach an entry, to say that use the entry's content as your post?
What, a little checkbox?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I think in some ways you might want to attach an entry, because I might want to attach someone else's entry, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But we'll have to think about that. But it might be nice to be able to attach an entry as just, or attach a hyperlink or anything, but also.
But then I guess you'd also have to then have a setting that I don't want my links to be attached by anyone else. That would be a privacy setting.
Yeah, I think you should only be able to post a link of someone's if they're a fully public diary and it's a public entry.
Well, currently the restriction is public and members.
Yeah. We'll have to think, because I mean, I could take a hyperlink and link to your diary. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, yeah, nothing stopping that now.
So maybe that's how we do diary links that way. But yeah, my thought is that it'd be really cool if the actual content of each entry showed up as a reply to theme of the week, and you don't have to click out to different entries.
Yeah.
You know?
And then maybe if you specifically reply, it could give you an option to send it as a comment as well.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. Or you could show some of the content and then just a little expand link,
read
right?
more button, yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect. Just show it in a little, you know what I mean.
The first paragraph or something.
That's perfect. I like it. And then they can still have their comment.
And then there's also, is it this one? I can't think of the best one to see it on. What one did you comment on?
Me?
Steve. You both said me.
He might be talking to his friend in the thing.
Yeah.
There we go. So also on the forums, the background is again.
Yeah.
Style
I like
colors.
that.
Yeah.
Because
how come I didn't get a color?
Because that's what your diary color is. It's just white. Isn't it?
Well, I'm going to have to change that now. Oh, that's true. Right. Note to self, I want a color.
It does make it look a lot more colorful.
Yeah. It makes it stand out more.
Yeah, these need theming out a bit more. They're a bit bland, aren't they?
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Can the whole box have that color? Or
I considered that, but it looked a bit busy.
Oh, it did. Okay.
Yeah.
And I think maybe underneath the profile picture there should be icons for like the My Diary icon.
Yeah, and even and also number of posts.
Yeah,
things like that, right?
Yeah, forum statistics and stuff. Yeah,
I like it. Yeah, that's awesome, Mark.
That's why he has all the tasks. He has all the ideas.
We just keep giving them to him.
Takes me back to 15 years ago, sitting on the sofas.
Yeah. That's a different time.
Certainly was.
No iPhone.
A lot easier in life back then, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. All right, let's see. Let's go. All right, so I think that's both features, right?
Yeah.
All right, let me sweet. Oh, social media sharing. That's the other feature we wanted to show.
Yeah, and the like button.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
I'll have to like my own entry just to make it happen.
Oh, that's sad. You like your own entry.
Can I like your like?
Can it like it like?
I just some friends that do their entries on Facebook and then like it.
It's all algorithm stuff, right? So yeah. So there's the like button to the right. Maybe we need an icon for that too. And then there's the share buttons to Facebook and Twitter on the left.
Yep,
so that's
just
awesome.
Take you to the ordinary pages.
Nice. Oh, it's got a code in there, Mike. Mark. Mark. You just
Mike Mark.
change your name to Mike.
medium.
Yeah, it has, isn't it?
Yeah. Go figure.
Yeah, they take that out.
Yep.
That's
Yep.
probably because I
Probably just copied it.
pasted
Yeah.
the like one. Yeah, you don't want to share your session code, really, do you?
You probably not.
Yeah,
I think
but
it changes every so often anyway. So
Yeah.
that's right. And if any hackers are watching, it's never the same. All
Session
right.
based, so it shouldn't be.
Yeah. Should be all right. I have total confidence.
I'll check it.
Oh dear. Check it now, Mark. Go. They're watching. All right. You want to end the screen sharing and then I'll take back over. I can stop it for you. Haha. I have control. Share. All right. So let me jump back to my Word document here. So those were the new things. Can you guys see my screen again?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So those were the new things demonstrated. Anything important that we should take note of that we haven't already taken note of today?
I think we got it.
No, I think it's
Yeah, I think we got it pretty much handled,
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah.
Task planning, I think we've already kind of got our tasks outlined for the week.
apart from the ones that we've just added for me. So
Yeah. What did we add? Are there any that aren't here right now?
the forums, so including reply to invisible host, there's also the entry in it and the social icons underneath the page.
So hang on, this is fun because now it's multiple tasks. I really need something that I can use that isn't Excel. All right, so for the discussion forums, a further task was to show entry content.
Yep.
And then what was the other one you said?
The social interaction buttons like the view my diary and stuff underneath, and post count on each forum post.
Oh, that's another forum one.
Yeah.
Damn it. Let me do this. For entry content and then user information. We'll call it that.
Yeah.
That's a better way of doing it, right?
Yeah, but make the one on the left top aligned.
Stop being so picky. I'm going to leave it looking crappy. Permalinks. Oh, look. Permalinks. That was one of the next tasks.
Yes, it was, wasn't it? Because it's not permanent at all, is it?
I don't think we have to have permalinks for the Google search, because the Google search, I think it looks at the title. The downside to permalinks is it gives you enormous URLs.
It does,
and that's so annoying,
especially in a forum.
Yeah, let's get rid of those. If we ever decide to change it, we'll change it. But you know, I like it. Okay, this is good. This is a good list. Anything else we've got to add? I think we've got it. I think we got it all. Well, Q&A. There's no one here to ask any questions.
Is Mark's friend?
Yeah, Mark's friend.
Does he have any questions, Mark's friend?
Yeah, Mark's friend. You got anything? He can talk in my ear as well.
Oh, he should join
the chat. We can see.
Yeah.
Any?
Nothing.
No, Mark's friend has no questions.
Oh, that's unfortunate. Oh well.
That's sad.
It is very sad. How disappointing. I think I know what we got to do to get people to come to the meeting.
He has one thing.
Okay.
Offer free
He's asking
stuff.
why Steve doesn't sound English anymore.
I sound English. The problem is I don't sound English or American.
No, you're like a
hybrid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sucks. Just get mocked no matter where I go. I think we should offer a free subscription or something for a month.
What, just site-wide?
Mm-hmm. Like, so if you come to the meeting, and it should be a random pick if you attended the meeting, that one person will get a month of Bloop Extra.
Like a raffle.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, we could use
Good
a
idea, I
random
like
number
that.
generator.
And you have to say something in the chat to be in the raffle. And that's something that, Beth, you can advertise as well. So that'll
Yes, I'm writing that down so that I can do that.
All right. Yes. Okay. You're probably good with the tasks we have here. So
Yeah.
all right. Well, that's cool because we're at about 40 minutes anyway. So
All right, well, I got one question.
yeah.
And you already know what I'm going to ask you.
Oh.
How did Bloop get its name?
Oh no.
I told you this.
Mark, do you know how Bloop got its name?
I do.
I told you I was going to ask.
Wait, I'm gonna ask. I want to see what Mark's rendition of this is.
Oh, good, Mark,
see
because
how much
I
detail
need
he
your
knows.
rendition now.
How much
Okay.
detail? Okay, so was it Open Diary then, or was it Teen Open Diary?
Damn it, he knows.
He couldn't remember either.
Yeah, I know. Was it Open Diary or Teen Open Diary?
I couldn't remember myself when Beth asked. I will say though that if we had the trivia running right now, this would be one of the answers that would have to go into.
I think the answer would be too long.
It would be a long answer. All right, Mark, go on. You tell the story.
So Steve was a member of Open Diary, not sure which one. And there was a person go around spamming everyone with comments bloop with a diary named Bloop and made entries called Bloop with the content only of Bloop. There's a link in the middle as to why you started it, and I don't remember why you started it. Was that after a crash, maybe?
No, it was because
Or
it was
downtime.
all of the diaries were getting hacked.
Oh, really?
And so they had a delete my diary link, and it would be like, hey, verify your password, right? And then it would take you to another page, but that page had no validation. And if you hit that page, it deleted your diary. And so what people did is they took that and started putting it into image links.
Iframes and image links, yeah.
Yeah, or just, anything really. And it would just, so every time you'd hit this one entry, boom, your diary was gone. And just diaries were disappearing left, right, and center.
Gone,
so
or just disabled, gone.
I'm so glad I was never on.
Yeah,
Open
actually
Diary.
deleted, fully deleted from the database. It was rough. And so it was a good time to start a diary site. Anyway, so that's when that BloopDiary kept appearing. And it was funny because I was like, I tried logging into it with the username Bloop and the password Bloop.
You got in, didn't you? And then you changed the password.
It was its username. I didn't do anything in there, but I was just curious. I was like, well, all he's typing is Bloop. Wouldn't it be really sad if it was just some guy somewhere that really needed help and the only thing you had was a keyboard with the word Bloop on it?
Yeah, he was just face palming the
would be
keyboard.
sad.
Just saying, bloop.
So
And
sad.
now we're laughing about it. Poor guy needed help.
Yeah, it was
Now he's
rough.
got a whole website to go on.
Yeah,
Are
exactly.
you sure that wasn't you?
Me?
No, Mark.
Mark. Was it you? No.
No, Steve introduced me into diary websites.
Yep. So anyway, that was the story of Bloop.
Oh,
It was stolen from who knows. I would love to know who made that diary, or if they were ever a member of BloopDiary.
They've got to have been, right?
if you're out there, please say who you are,
Yeah. I'd be
because
really
we'd love to
curious.
know.
Yeah, but they probably don't know what they created from their random things. So yeah. All right, it's
I
2:40.
think Bloop is the only one now that's free, isn't it?
Open Diary.
Only for
Open
30
Diary
days.
still exists.
It was recreated.
It's but it's
But
free
I don't
for
think
30
it's free.
days. It's
Oh,
not
free.
30
Okay, it's a
days.
trial.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Annoyingly, their main page is like the one I mocked
We're
up
still
as well,
free.
which
If
is a
we're
little
only still
upsetting.
free one, that should be a very big positive thing for us.
Yeah, I will say it's not. I'm looking at the main page of it right now. It doesn't look super active.
It's not.
Yeah. So
It's
Oh,
like
there
a
we go.
post every hour. If
yeah, I
that.
don't like. I think having a 100% paid site
No.
isn't. I feel like you kick most of the engagement out of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I just don't think that's doable. I think people support if they want to support.
If they can support.
Right, if they can and if they want to. And I think there'll always be, a number of people that are willing to help support something. So I like that method. Cool. All right. Good meeting.
Yes.
And Beth has her camera working. Woo!
Yeah. Well, I had to use my work laptop just to do it.
Yep, that's perfect.
Still don't know what's wrong with my personal one.
Computers.
Yep.
Oh dear. Cool. All right, guys. Well, so we're thinking maybe Sunday 6 o'clock, or maybe a little after that, Mark, if you're getting out at 6 o'clock.
So I finish at 11 my time, and I can get home by about 15:15.
So maybe
What was
6:30,
that?
6:30 Eastern time.
Yeah.
All right. So let's
Worst case
confirm
scenario,
after
I'll
this
do it from my
meeting
phone
that
in
that's
the
definitely
car.
the time. Hang on. Let me add a reaction. I want to see if it shows up on the thing. I'll chat to you through the week.
Yes.
And
Indeed.
see you again.
All right,
Bye.
bye.